Hello and welcome to The Loop. I'm Matt Bruning.
And I'm Erin McBride. A historic house is on the move in Northeast Ohio.
The E.N. Brown House, also known as the Yellow House in Howland, was built around 1830, shortly after Ohio celebrated only 25 years of statehood. Unfortunately, it was in the way of a project to improve safety and traffic flow at the intersection of State Routes 82 and 46.
ODOT worked with the homeowners and the Howland Historical Society to save the historic structure. ODOT agreed to foot the $400,000 bill for the move if property could be found nearby. Supporters were able to find a new home for the house near Howland Middle School.
So, early last Sunday morning, movers loaded up the house and successfully moved it. The Historical Society is still working to raise the funds needed to make some repairs, but we're told they hope to have the home reopened for tours next April.
Bring Your Child to Work Day is back at ODOT. Across the state, several districts and central office participated. It's a great way to spend time with our kids, show them what we do to keep Ohio moving, and hopefully spark some interest in becoming future ODOTers. Thanks to everyone who makes these events happen.
Absolutely, a lot of fun. Well, it's August, and would you believe we're already looking ahead to winter? ODOT is hiring winter seasonal highway technicians. It's a great opportunity to join Team ODOT and help keep our roads safe this winter.
A Class A or B CDL is required to apply. You can find out more information and apply online at transportation.ohio.gov/jobs.
Look, if you've ever wanted to plow snow for ODOT, but you were hesitant to apply because you don't have your CDL, well, you can apply today as a full-time ODOT highway maintenance worker, and we will, get this, train and pay for you to get your CDL so you can take on snow and ice this winter. I'm gonna say it again, we will train and pay for you to get your CDL. Plus, it's a full-time gig, man. Plus, you get amazing benefits. We have a lot of these new positions open and are looking for great candidates. But you gotta have a great attitude. Be a hard worker, like my man Colin behind the camera, and have a willingness to use a variety of equipment. So apply now. Just visit transportation.ohio.gov and start an amazing career here at ODOT. Who knew?
Get more ODOT news online at transportation.ohio.gov. Follow us on social media and keep sending those great story ideas and feedback to loop@dot.ohio.gov.